Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update and new video on Dusk. Wanted to do an update on that. It has been very bullish, as you can see, basically after the huge spike we had Friday. Continued bullish momentum today, had a nice bullish breakout above 21-22 cents, and we're heading for very high levels right now, around 28 cents and perhaps even 30 cents. So I wanted to cover that. Also wanted to give you some answers to questions about this momentum of Dusk. Last time we covered it, there was I had some idea of what was going on, but I think I have a better idea right now, so I wanted to share that with you. And apart from that, I also hope the audio of this video is alright, because I have a new microphone. The first videos I made this morning were absolutely horrendous. The audio was very bad. I uploaded the video on Ocean Protocol before this. I tested that. It was okay, the audio, but now I turned some settings up, so maybe I made a mistake. Let me know how the audio is. I hope it's okay. But now Dusk Network. As I said, very bullish. Volume has gone down a little bit, but the volume was very high. It was around 180 million. It's the weekend. Usually volume drops. So that's also what's been happening with Dusk Network. Now the main thing, what we also talked about in last video, is the new project or new product by Dusk Network, which is Citadel. Basically a zero knowledge solution to KYC and AML. Talked about a little bit about that in the previous video on what it is. It's a great product. It's a great development. I really think so. But for now, the only thing you should know is that it plays right into the whole narrative about zero knowledge solutions, zero knowledge scaling, that kind of stuff, which I think most of you are aware is kind of a narrative going on right now in crypto. It's not that bullish even today, but yesterday, for example, Loopring and Mina were very bullish, DYDX as well. And Dusk is still reaping the benefits of that. All the way up, and let's dive into the technicals, all the way up to this level right here around, well, what did we touch? The 2.618 at 27.5 cents. Respectable fib, also found resistance there at around also 20 cents on Friday after the spike, which is still kind of weird price behavior, but still. So now the big question is can we get to 30 cents? Historically, 30 cents is a strong key level. I would argue it's not as strong as 26 and 25 cents, but I might be wrong about that, and you can definitely disagree with me on that. But now the main thing is that even though we have not reached 30 cents yet, the biggest thing that we perhaps have done is breaking above 25 cents. Also a psychological support level, it's a technical level, and we now have a 0.236 fib there. And we have already, even though this candle hasn't closed, we have already confirmed the breakout this morning. So what I expect is that we will find some support at 2.618, but then we'll drop down to 25 cents. And at this point of time, with the whole narrative going on, even though the market is very volatile and perhaps leaning a little bit more to the bearish side, I think Dusk is actually strong enough to hold 25 cents, consolidate, and then at some point gather enough momentum. That could be very quick and go up to 30 cents. That's my price target. I expect to find resistance there, so I'll update this analysis once we reach that level. And we'll talk about whether we can actually get up to 32, 33 cents, or whether that 30 cents level, because of its strength, is going to be our top. Now, even though I expect this, it could very well be that, because I mean there is some, and I did want to talk about that earlier, but there's some volume of Dusk coming from sources which I don't necessarily like, as you can see. So there's a little bit more risk in Dusk right now. So there's a small chance that we'll drop down to 25 cents and that we will not be able to hold that. And if 25 cents breaks, first of all, we're probably not going up to 30 cents soon. Second of all, we'll drop down to this level between 22 and 21 cents, and we'll see from there. I don't think this is the most likely scenario, but I do want to prepare you for the scenario for in the case, which is 100% realistic, I'm sure of that there's a probability that I'm wrong, right? So I wanted to prepare you for that as well. But for now, a lot of momentum. Dusk is very bullish, and I expect us to go even higher. That's my take on Dusk this afternoon. If you do have any questions, let me know. Let me know how the audio is. And for now, take care and bye.